Have you ever been cooking and only had one free hand to grab a paper towel to clean up the mess? We Tried It brings you product reviews to help you make informed buying decisions. This is the Simply Tear paper towel holder. Thanks to the holder's design, users can rip off paper towels with just one hand. Let's check it out. First, we decide how we are going to hang the paper towel holder. This holder can be mounted one of two ways: by drilling screws into the holder to secure onto the wall or cabinet, or by sticking the holder to a wall or cabinet with the kit's included adhesive tape. The adhesive tape will have a hard time sticking to walls with an uneven or powdery surface, such as wallpapered walls, concrete walls, and plastered walls. The paper towel holder fits 11-inch long paper towel rolls, which is the standard size. There are 6 springs on both sides of the holder to secure the paper towel roll. This makes it so that when you pull the end of the roll to rip off a fresh sheet, the roll doesn't keep spinning and unrolling. The paper towel holder clocks in at about 1.3 pounds when assembled. We found that its lightweight, sleek design made it simple to hang with no extra parts to get in the way. To remove an empty paper towel roll from the holder, simply bend the torsion arm outward and pull the paper towel roll out of its joints. If the holder is dusty or dirty, simply remove the paper towel roll from the holder and wipe down the holder's aluminum alloy surface with a towel dampened with water and let air dry. The Simply Tear paper towel holder will run you anywhere from $25 to $30 depending on the color you choose. With a 1-year warranty from Simpletone, you can purchase with confidence.